Hello, boys and girls, men and women. Anyway, just to cut to the basics, my name is Lance, and I'm starting a new channel called Cinematic Galaxy, as you can see. Basically, I'm a huge film fan, and I've been looking around for quite some time, about a year or so, at different critics on YouTube. You know, Chris Stuckman, Schmoes Know, Jeremy Johns, Tom Shadowbash, Freya the Film Fan, and I love all these guys so much. I love their movie reviews, and I'm a huge film fan just like them, so I figured why not start trying to make movie reviews of my own. You know, it seems like it's fun. That's really what I'm doing it for, to have fun, and at the same time to kind of get experience with speaking in front of a camera, because I'll admit I'm a little nervous when I speak in front of cameras, or when I'm in front of a camera. You know, it's kind of something that I have to get used to, but I'm a huge film fan, and I love a lot of movies, so I'm planning on doing movie reviews. And actually what I'm doing, I probably won't be able to see like every new release, every new theatrical release. I probably can't do that, but every theatrical release that I do see, I will make sure to review. But I'm mainly going to review films that are already out on video and DVD and whatnot, you know, older films, or recent films as well, just films that I've seen that are in my collection, or just movies that I don't have that I've seen. Yeah, I'll definitely review them. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this channel. I hope to have some movie reviews up here soon. Stay tuned for what I have coming up. Thanks, guys. This is Lance from Cinematic Galaxy, signing off. Oh, and in case anybody's wondering, am I going to be wearing these glasses for all of my reviews? Probably not. You know, I mean, I might decide to make it like my trademark or something, or it might just be a once in a while thing. I really have no idea. I'm just some dork trying to look cool on here. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope to get some reviews up soon. See you later.